The market's mostly in red, but in the day mixed. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. It's Thursday, February 19th, 2015, and the markets didn't do too shabby today. Let me explain. The S&P, negative territory. The Dow, down 0.25%. NASDAQ, though, up 0.4%. Russell's at break even. Banks off slightly. VIX down 1%. Gold off. Silver off. U.S. Well, you got the crude oil off by nearly a full percent. U.S. dollar up 0.4%. Utilities, though, declining by more than 1%. And remember, that's a defensive sector. And I agree with this movement. A lot of savvy traders out there starting to get out of this defensive sector mode. And that's for good reason. Let me explain it to you. It had to do with yesterday's video. Remember yesterday I said we had the tweezer top, real good chance of a drop commencing. And we had to really look at that level right here at 2090, saying if that 2090 gets pierced and broken, look for a nice sizable drop. However, if price action can stay above that, we should build a high base, giving us yet optimistic chance of the markets to go higher. So that's precisely what happened. We had this drop, touched, got right down there at 2090 and rallied back, but we're just moving sideways here in the market. Now, I'm going to bring you guys into something that is brand new. Matter of fact, very few people even know about this right now, and I'm just doing this video. You're not going to get an email. You're not going to see anything on this for a long time, but I'm going to bring it to your attention. If you go to groktrade.com. When you go there, go to stock picks and stop at the first one, statistical picks. This is using stats to come up with our picks. Click on that. Once you click on that, you will get a page. Now, if you're a subscriber, you can certainly get in here. Now, but you can jump in down there at the bottom. But I say do your 2 weeks free. It's Stat Picks 2 is what you want to use to get in free. But let's look at some of these stocks of this week's picks that I want to share with you. On the long side, APL, I keep wanting to put Apple in. My fingers just do that naturally. Now, this is a long-term buy. Long term. This is saying that we are bouncing off the bottom. Statistically speaking, we should only go higher with APL. Another one, BEAV, B-E-A-V. Another one that's bottomed out. Have you ever wanted a stock picks list where you found stocks that are statistically bottomed out and they should only go higher? That's what this list does. It's very impressive. That's why we incorporated it into our list of things that we offer. Another one is WYNN. Now, don't look at patterns. We're not looking at fundamentals. We're not looking at any fundies, no techs, nothing. All we're looking at here is a whole barrage of statistical analysis being used to come up with these picks. Another one that we should have bottomed out, and this thing should only go higher. Now, on the short side, those that are topping out is SPG is one of them, saying that this stock, statistically speaking, should only start to drift lower from this point forward. BIIB, same thing. Be looking for this to reverse and start heading southbound. And KSS, another one on the short side. Even though it looks very, very bullish here, this is statistically at a max area that we are looking for this thing to start drifting southbound. This is more for swing trading. We do have picks on investment trading, more long-term holds where you hold them for 2 to 3 weeks out to 2 to 3 months. This one you'll hold 2 to 3 days to 2 or 3 weeks on the ones I just shared with you. But again, go to the site, go to Grok Trade, go to stock picks, go to statistical picks, watch the video here, get subscribed, and you can click the access now and you will get in. Give it a whirl. Catch you guys later.